35 or so, 30, I'd say.
Oh, you're on.
Yo, this is Joey Cordova here, Supercross BMX professional bike rider, and we're here at Woodward Camp. Definitely crashed last night. Well, I didn't even crash, just slipped a pedal and got like 30 stitches in my shin. So, but we're here to do a bike check, so here it is. All right, so what we got here is a Supercross Passion frame. I really like it a lot. 21 1/4 top tube. I got the Odyssey dirt jumping forks on there, and Hoffman front wheel. We got the Snafu gyro with Coalition stem, and right now I got the S&M Grand Slam bars. Odyssey one finger pull lever. I got some grips on there, you know what they are. Fit cranks with the Odyssey pedals, trail mix pedals. Supercross seat with I don't know what kind of seat post it is, but it holds the seat on there, so it's good. I don't know what brakes I have. Yeah, so I run Diatech brakes. I now know that. We got the Odyssey hazard light back wheel, the Odyssey hub, and yeah, that's about it. This is the bike that I not only ride dirt jumps with, skate park, but kill everyone on MX Reflex. So there we go. It's like that.